Here are 5 tips to remember next time you're going to paint a room. First, use a paint roller with an extension handle. The roller just screws right onto the handle, and this particular one extends from about 4 feet to 7 feet and locks anywhere in between, so you can reach any surface in your house without having to use a ladder. Next, paint from a bucket, 5-gallon bucket, and use a roller screen. Do not use a roller tray. They're flimsy, they spill paint, you have to fill them up all the time. This is a much better way. You can roll the paint right off the screen into the bucket. Also, use canvas drop cloths, not plastic. Plastic does not absorb paint and it becomes slippery, and if you step in the paint, you can track it all over the house. Use canvas. They absorb the paint and they last forever. Next, tint the primer toward the finished color, which means if you're going to paint the wall blue, tint the primer a little bit blue so it covers much better. Next, record the paint color for future reference. In this case, you just write it on a piece of tape, the paint name and color on the back of the switch plate in the room. Then the next time you need to buy paint, you know exactly which color to get.